Salam Satu Malaysia. Good evening to our Managing Director, Mr. Kong Hock Sian, fellow colleagues from our Kuala Lumpur Sales Office, and colleagues here in Kota Kinabalu. It's been 2 years since we had our last annual sub party. The time is here once again where we, the family of Tokotraya Group of Companies and its affiliates, gather around for a night of fun-filled activities in tonight's Athlete Team One Malaysia Sub Party. As such, I would like to extend a warmest welcome to everyone who is here tonight. It has to be the worst year for everyone in the tourism and hospitality industry due to the global economic crisis and influenza and H1N1 pandemic. To make matters worse, the political unrest in our neighboring countries has dampened the tourist arrival. Despite all this, we at Promenade Hotel Kota Kinabalu and the service apartments and condominium, Promenade Hotel Apartments, Marina Court Resort Condominium, and Corones Condominium, remain resilient and stand up as a strong competitor to other hotels and resorts in and around Kota Kinabalu. This is where I'm proud to say that we are a complete team because of you. The team spirit, unity, and togetherness shown by everyone within the hospitality wing and the entire Tokotraya Group of Companies are truly the driving force behind our near 2 decades of success. Under the fresh new leadership of our Prime Minister, Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak One Malaysia concept, we should forge ahead as a united group of companies before the country. As unity is the simplest form of strength, and strength is best expressed in numbers. But numbers itself do not guarantee strength unless the concept of unity is applied. So what is unity? Unity is when people work together towards a certain goal or mission. In line with the demand for more rooms or hotels to accommodate the ratio of visiting tourists, the hospitality field is becoming increasingly competitive with the many newly established hotels and lodges. Therefore, the bar has been set a bit higher in achieving our goals and the commitment to carry out our duties and responsibilities are much more evident. From group level, thanks again for our Managing Director leadership, his relentless long-sufferness and determination in guiding us towards achieving our aspiration to promote our corporate brand of Promenade Hotel with our homegrown hotel and hospitality characteristics that are typically prominent. Hence, Promenade Hotel Ballroom became a living proof when it was officially launched on May 2nd this year by our State's Chief Minister, Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Panglima Pusat Haji Ahmad. Sabah is blessed in many ways. Aside from being world famous for its natural attractions such as beautiful islands, the World Heritage Parks, and the unique flora and fauna, we are well known for our friendly, caring, and hospitable people, and this is an edge to boost in terms of customer service. Everyone should know by now that the hospitality industry is not really just about selling our rooms and other services in the hotel. In plain truth, hospitality is about selling ourselves and cultures as a civilized, caring, friendly, and helpful society which would then reflect on the people we work with. It's undeniable that our hospitality is what makes our repeated guests return to stay with us over and over again. The simple gesture of greeting and smiling and the willingness to go the extra mile to achieve customer satisfaction has touched the hearts of many, justifying our values. To meet the growing needs of customer expectations, to provide customers with better facilities or more personalized services. Staying true to our values to provide customers with better facilities, we are currently undergoing few major upgrading of Promenade Hotel Ballroom in stages. Soon, we will see the new and improved lobby lounge, cafe promenade, and public areas with modern contemporary look, all designed to meet the ever-progressive expectation of the consumer behavior. And secondly, as where we are now seated, is Sabah's first monumental bird-nest artificial ballroom with a capacity to accommodate up to 60 tables and with an increased ceiling height. With these upgraded ballrooms that complete with state-of-the-art lighting and AV system, we are looking forward to hosting more successful and grander events in the future. Hence, here's a feel for our fantastic lighting system as we celebrate the upcoming facilities of Malaysia. Can I have the AV team to show everyone here the theme of Hari Raya? The celebration of Deepavali. The celebration of Christmas and New Year. Chinese New Year celebration. And the most romantic day of the year, Valentine's Day. Thank you for the invitation. It's a regret to know that these and many more colorful celebrations in our rich multicultural society can be celebrated here all year round. Hence, this evening theme, One Malaysia, coincides well with the reopening of this grand ballroom of ours for business. Since renovation and refurbishment works in the hotel have shined occasionally large businesses during the first half of the year, it is now time for all of us to put in extra efforts in the third quarter of year 2009 to recover the opportunities lost and achieve the sterling performance before the year shall run out. To end my speech tonight, let me quote a sentence by Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success. Thank you and have an enjoyable evening.